Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Jennifer and Levent.
Hello, Jennifer. Hello, listener.
How are you today, Levent?
I'm good, thank you. It's a nice day.
Yes, it is. Today's topic is weather and seasons.
Oh, that's a good topic.
Yes. But before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes. And click the like button. And please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so Levent, are you ready?
As I said, today's topic is weather and seasons. Can you say weather?
Weather.
Good. Weather means what it's like outside. Hot, cold, sunny, or rainy. Can you say, what's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
Perfect. That's a question we use to ask about the weather. Now, let's learn some words. Repeat after me, everyone. Sunny,
Sunny.
rainy,
Rainy.
windy,
Windy.
snowy.
Snowy.
Great job. Let's practice. Levent, what's the weather like today?
It's sunny.
Nice. And yesterday?
It was rainy.
Excellent. Everyone listening, can you say it's windy?
Good. One more. It's cold.
Now, let's talk about seasons. There are 4 seasons. Say them with us.
Spring,
Spring,
summer,
summer,
autumn,
autumn,
winter.
winter.
Very good.
In spring, the flowers grow. In summer, it's hot. In autumn, the leaves fall. In winter, it's cold and sometimes it snows.
I like summer
Oh, you like summer. Why?
because it's hot and I can go swimming.
Nice. I like spring because it's warm and sunny.
Jennifer, what's your least favorite season?
Maybe winter. It's too cold for me.
I understand. I don't like cold weather, too.
Good sentence. You can say, I don't like cold weather.
I don't like cold weather.
Perfect.
Now let's practice together, friends. I'll say a word, and you say if you like it or not. Hot weather. Cold weather. Rainy days. Sunny days. Nice. You are doing great.
Jennifer, can we talk about what to wear in each season?
Good idea. In summer, we wear t-shirts and shorts. In winter, we wear coats and scarves. In spring, we wear light jackets. In autumn, we wear sweaters.
So in summer, t-shirt. In winter, coat.
Yes, very good.
What's the weather like in your country now, Jennifer?
It's autumn now. The weather is cool and windy. What about in your country, Levant?
It's still warm, a little windy, but no rain.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it is.
Let's do a quick review, friends. Question: what do we ask when we want to know about the weather?
We say, what's the weather like?
Good. What do we say when the sun is shining?
It's sunny.
Excellent. And when there's rain?
It's raining.
Perfect. Now, can you name the 4 seasons, Levent?
Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
Wonderful. Everyone, say it with us. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Great job, friends.
This was fun.
Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time on English with Jennifer and Levent.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Comment below, what's your favorite season? Spring, summer, autumn, or winter?
We love reading your comments.
See you next time.
Keep learning English.
Bye-bye.